Your body is your brain and your brain is your body. You know, we've got so much intelligence in our body. We've got all the little cells in our body that holds intelligence. We've got the neurological system, which goes from the top of the head to the tips of your toes. And we've got the gut instinct. We've got the five senses, which is smell, taste, hearing, seeing, touching. And we've got the mind, which we don't see. That's the inner part of ourself, the unseen part of ourself. And all of this creates the whole being of you. And to make some lasting change in your life, so if you've got a goal that you want to go to, it takes a full body and soul and all these intelligences in your body going to work for you. And we do it through 3 simple steps. We do it with the focus. What are we focusing on? We do it on our physiology. So we got our posture in a strong way, talking to our body, and also with our focus.